lot of fuck niggas in the club tonight. Fuck them. But it's gonna be alright. Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck, nigga. Trick Daddy, Lil Jon. If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga.
If you want some, come get some. Cause where I'm from, we throw big guns. And everybody knows somebody that knows somebody that knows something about it. And I want answers now. Who, what, where, why? See, a lot of dudes like to act the fool now. Get on live, but that ain't my style. So who he gon' get and what he gon' do? Run up on me if you want to. Hot damn pressing his homies. He's done up in front of his mama. I'm up the floor with him. And I kick in the door and let the fofo get him. I got fools that'll go get him. This for him, the boo, and the dudes that run with him.
If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go.
Gotta spit it for the murderers and the killers and the thugsters. They be fucking up the ballers and the dealers and the hustlers. Got me coming at you bogus in the VI while they bumping Lil Jon. I'm a rusher. It's a psycho nigga twister from Chicago, rolling with the Miami nigga that'll crush ya. We already be looking for drama. If a nigga try to get into it with us, then we gotta get him. Feeling free from the torture that can never be cured. No penicillin, I'm telling you, trick, I'm finna steal him. Got me swinging Chrissy and Hennessy bottles in the club, and my thug homies going for your thriller. Don't get it twisted with that overnight celebrity. You better be scared of me in my city, I'm a killer.
If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go.
I ain't that rapper type of right, and I ain't that actor type of right. This off ain't in my script, I'm a player. You just a square. See, once that Hennessy into me, the whole industry is my enemy. And you ain't no kin to me, a friend to me, bitch. Don't pretend to be. See, I'm strictly for the thugs. I'm for the street and straight out the hood. My MO is ghetto, and I don't even need the gat for you booty cats. I'm straight out the county dead. 305, nigga, in my head. You ever come south of the border? First one's born, you're gon' get slaughtered.
If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go. If you know that you can get it, let me know. I'm about to fuck a nigga. Let's go.
The AK go chop, 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 chop. The SK go fuck, 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 fuck. The AK go chop, 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 chop. The SK go fuck, 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 fuck.
I wish that I could fly into the sky